AlayaCare is a software for home health care, and there are lots of opportunities to leverage AI and optimization to improve how home care is delivered and the outcomes patients get via the use of our software. We started the company in 2014. We came to market with our beta product in August of 2014, 3-4 people at the company at the time. Then the first few years we tripled, the next few years we doubled. We then have done a few acquisitions. Today we're 370 people around the world, 3 principal markets being Canada, the US, and Australia.
The scale projects, we're fortunate we have 3 different areas of focus. One of them is to look at employee churn and develop a machine learning model to be able to predict which employees are most at risk of leaving their jobs. Another thing we're looking at is developing a machine learning model to predict what kind of volumes and types of workers should we be hiring in the near future. And the third one is working on our optimization module, so a scheduling optimization algorithm, so that we make sure that the right caregiver is at the right place at the right time with the right information in the most optimal schedule.
AlayaCare today supports 10 million patient visits every month. AI has moved for us from being a marketing differentiator to being a product differentiator. Now we're really starting to see some of these techniques change how care is delivered, improve the outcomes that our customers can get using our software.
The health system right now is overloaded. So one of the big challenges is that there are simply not enough care workers. There's a huge shortage when it comes to this, and a few reasons why. It's difficult work, and the churn rate is, in the States, it's about 82%. In Canada, it's more hovering around 40%. And when they do exit interviews as to why people leave, mostly it's because they don't have enough hours. So you're like, on one hand, there's not enough workers. On the other hand, they leave because they don't have enough hours. And you're like, that doesn't make a lot of sense, right? So that's where optimization technologies come in. So we can do better matching so that we can efficiently use their availabilities and make sure that they have full schedules and make sure that we use everybody the most efficiently.
So we have a vision for the future of home care, which is much more technology enabled than the delivery of home care today. We think, whereas today it's purely a face-to-face care market, in the future virtual care, remote monitoring are going to be an important part of the care mix, and the data collected on the patient through these various touch points is going to be a source of insight to deliver better care.